Let's see what happens. Oh! Well, that's bad. I don't know what it is. I don't know anything. It just looks bad. Busy day ahead. Heading out to Page, Texas, about 45 minutes away from Austin where we live, to prep our fifth wheel for our epic full-time family adventure. This will be our second go-around. Our first go-around was up and down. We're hoping this time will be better. We've learned to deal with our problems a little bit better, I think. I'm heading out to Page to fix the RV up and get it ready. I'm not really sure what to expect. The roof needs some work. The awning needs to be measured for a brand new awning. It's old and weathered. And I need to inspect for any other problems. I'm not expecting there to be anything bad, but, you know, how bad could it be, right? All right, just got here, Page, Texas. I have to be honest, I don't feel like being out here has been kind to this RV. I've had the batteries on a drip charger for the last few months. I'm gonna go ahead and hook them up and get the slides out and inspect this thing and see what we need to do. There's a lot of work to do. I think I can do it. It's just, it's more than I expected, and it's gonna take a little while, more than one day. I thought I was gonna come here for one day and just kind of bust everything out, but this is looking like a multi-day process for the next 6 weeks. So that's a little disheartening, but and a little bit of money. It's just gonna take a little bit of work up front, and wow. All right, down here on my hands and knees. I'm gonna replace this. So this thing was closed and it's not sealed like it should be. So that's why I'm replacing it with the actual one that's supposed to fit on there, but I couldn't get it off with it closed. So I had to come back down here and open it up. Don't force it. I broke the plastic. So now I gotta, thankfully I had an extra part I bought just in case. Close. Oh, looks okay. So right here on this seam, right in here, all the way to the top, it's coming loose here and there. It needs to be sealed. I mean, honestly, I'm just to be embarrassed to show up in an RV park with this RV in this condition, how dirty it is. It's just busted. Oh. Oh my God. The refrigerator is filled with mold. Mostly in the door though. So I feel like I can take these door slots out and bring that home and maybe, you know, do a really thorough job on it. And maybe even after I do a thorough job on it, take it to the, you know, put it in the dishwasher or something. So I'm not super concerned about that. More bad news. There's like rubber on the outside of the slides. There's like rubber where it connects with the RV. It's completely rotted, at least on one of them. The awning looks bad when it's closed. Looks fine when it's open. So it's just, it looks really bad when it's closed. It's like, so I'm gonna measure it and see if we can't replace it. So it's very exciting. It's very exciting. There's not 1 or 2 days of work here. There's many days of work here. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to extend it, the awning, and then retract it again. Hopefully, it closes all the way this time. Let's see what happens. Oh! Well, that's bad. Oh, this one didn't come out. Well, there's your issue. Now it's just, oh, it's just jacked. Okay. Well, guess I'm not going home soon. So I'm pretty sure the lesson for today is no matter how bad you think it is, it can be worse, especially when you're RVing.